This is what I'm shooting presently. There are a lot of good 357 Magnums out there, revolvers. The Ruger GP100 is great. You got some of the Colt stuff, even some of the other Smith & Wessons. But this model 627 from the Performance Center, it's 8 shots. It absolutely does not fuck around. It has a great trigger. It's very controllable. And to me, this is just the ultimate defensive revolver. Whether you need something at home in the nightstand or you're traveling on the road in your car, this will get it done.